Fix Microsoft Office install error, code 0-2-048, due to corrupted files, connectivity issues, or setup problems. Let's fix it step by step. Step 1. Uninstall Office using Revo uninstaller. Open your browser and search for Revo uninstaller. Click on the first link that appears. Now click on Free Downloads and again on Free Downloads. Choose Save As, then click Save. Once it's downloaded, click Open File. Click Yes if prompted. Click OK. Accept the license agreement and click Next. Now just follow the on-screen installation steps. Once done, click Finish. Now find the Microsoft Office app in the list. Right-click on it and select Uninstall. Click Yes, then Continue. And again, click Yes. When the uninstall is complete, click Close. Revo will now scan for leftover files. Click Scan. Click Select All, then click Next. Click Yes to confirm. Again, click Select All, then Delete, and click Yes. Step 2. Clean temporary files. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Type temp and press Enter. If asked for permission, click Continue. Select all files and press Delete. If some files can't be deleted, just click Skip. Now press Windows plus R again, type %temp% and press Enter. Select everything in the folder and delete them. Press Windows plus R once more. Type prefetch and press Enter. Click Continue if needed. Select all files and press Delete. Again, skip any files that can't be deleted. Final step, empty recycle bin right. Click on the recycle bin. Click Empty Recycle Bin. Then click Yes to confirm. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.